All right, so we're thinking about what is the better buy? Okay, what is a better deal? So as we work here, we're going to discover that we have two cans of soda, right? They're both Coca Cola. Delicious. So we want to discover, we want to have sort of a comparable base. Right now, as we look here, we see that this is a 12-ounce can, this is a 16-ounce bottle. So different sizes, still both in ounces though. So we're dealing with ounces, call it OZ. And then we're also dealing with how much it costs, right? So different amounts, but they're both dealing with money. So we've got ounces and we've got money. So in order to figure out which one's the better deal, we want to have, we want to have them each. Basically, we're going to try to find a unit rate. We want them to each have the same denominator, so it's real easy to see what's happening in the numerator, right? So we want to get it down to a unit rate where the denominator is one. So we're going to take what we know and simplify it down until we get to a denominator of one. So let's say we have 12 ounces of Coke for 96 cents. So we have it costs 96 cents per 12 ounces. And we could actually back that up even a step and say, first, we can see here in this problem that we're going to have money. How much does it cost per ounce? How much does it cost per ounce? So then over here, we said it costs 96 cents per, that's a dollar sign, 12 ounces. Okay, so it costs 96 cents for 12 ounces. So in order to compare it to the next Coke, right, we're going to want to get it down to a unit rate. So I'm going to go ahead and remember that a fraction bar, all that is a division problem. So we have 96.96, 96 hundredths divided by 12. And when we use our calculator, I'm going to plug in 0.96 divided by 12, and we end up discovering that it costs 8 cents for 1 ounce. 8 cents for 1 ounce. Okay. And essentially, right, we've used a diva. We've just divided both by the same thing. We've divided both by 12. So it costs 8 cents when you buy it in a can. So then the question is, how much does it cost if you want to buy it in a bottle? And we want to know, is it less? Does it cost less? Is it a better deal or does it cost more? Is it not as good of a deal? Is it a worse deal? So we're going to take the same exact strategy and we're going to be thinking about how much does it cost per ounce. So we have that information. We are starting with something. We have cost, which is $1.12 per ounce. Well, how many ounces? We've got 16 ounces. So we're going to remember that it's really just a division problem. So I'm going to pull up my calculator and we do $1.12 divided by 16, and we end up discovering it costs 7 cents per 1 ounce, 1 OZ. So it costs 8 cents over here and it costs 7 cents over here. So in thinking about money, right? I would rather spend less money on my Coca-Cola that I'm drinking. Or I want to have that available to me at least, or just interesting to know. So in this case, buying Coca-Cola for $1.12 for a little bit bigger bottle, a 16-ounce bottle, is a better deal than buying it in a can. And we discovered that by using unit rates to help us. We found the unit rate for both, and then we're easily able to compare how much it costs for 1 ounce each.